I've been looking into Credit Saint for a while now, and in this video, I'm bringing you my honest and unbiased review of the service. I'll cover everything you need to know, from their main features to potential drawbacks. So by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer idea if Credit Saint is the right choice for your credit repair journey. So let's get into it. Credit Saint is a professional credit repair company that's been around since 2007. Their main goal? To help you clean up your credit report by identifying and challenging inaccurate or unfair items that could be dragging your score down. They work directly with the three major credit bureaus, and they're known for being pretty aggressive in disputing negative marks on your behalf. One of the things that stand out about Credit Saint is their tiered service options. You can choose from 3 plans based on how intense you want the cleanup process to be. The Credit Polish plan is their entry-level package. Great if you just need a light touch. Next, the Credit Remodel plan steps it up with creditor interventions and deeper investigations. And finally, their Clean Slate package is the most comprehensive. It includes everything from earlier plans plus additional inquiries targeting. Now, a quick heads up about costs. Credit Saint does charge a setup fee along with monthly payments. Prices range from around $79.99 to $139.99 per month, depending on the plan you pick, with setup fees from $99 to $195. So, it's important to weigh these costs against the potential benefits, especially if you're aiming for long-term credit improvement. That said, no credit repair company can guarantee results, and that includes Credit Saint. While they've helped many users successfully remove negative items, results can vary. Some users have reported seeing positive changes within the first 45 days, but it generally takes around 3 to 6 months to see significant improvements. Lastly, I always recommend reading through their service agreements carefully and, if possible, consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions. So, overall, Credit Saint offers a structured, proactive approach to credit repair, but as with any service, it's important to set realistic expectations and understand the costs involved. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a super thanks by clicking the heart icon to help support the channel. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. I'll see you in the next one.